down. So how are you all? All of right? Yes. How was your weekend? Not good. Not good. What happened? Because of the classes. Because of the classes. Okay. Next Saturday. Okay. So, do you like vacations?
Yes.
Everyone likes vacations?
Yes.
So, can anyone tell me what are the things you do while you are in your vacation?
Sleeping.
Sleeping, yeah, okay. Next? Playing. Then? Going to books. Read books. Do you travel anywhere?
Yes.
Where do you travel?
Gundalpet.
Yeah, okay, fine. Other than that, do you travel to your grandparents' house, like ancestral home and all?
Yes.
You used to travel. So how are you being treated there in your grandmother's house? Very nicely. Can someone stand up and tell me how you are treated?
They will love for us, care for us, make foods,
Yeah.
and they will spend time with us.
Yeah, very good. So they will make different types of snacks which we like and don't like. And they will also give us a certain type of extra care which our parents doesn't give us. Right?
Yes.
They will have some sort of like love and care for us. So today we are going to learn a poem which is written by a child. She's written this poem after the death of her beloved grandmother. So after the death of her beloved grandmother, she has written a poem. So you all know who will be this poem. I will give you some sort of hints. Do you want to see her picture? Yes. I will show her picture and you guys should tell me which is that poem. Who is this?
Mother Kutiyamma.
Madhuri Kutiyamma, Kamala Das. So her pen name is what?
Ami.
Madhuri Kutiyamma. So there is also a film called Ami,
Yes.
which is directed by Kamal, who's acted by
Manju Warrier.
Manju Warrier. Which is that film called Ami, which is based on Manju Warrier's who's
Autobiography.
Manju Warrier has acted in this film. Also, about what is the main theme of that film?
Mother Kutiyamma
Life
autobiography.
of Madhuri Kutiyamma, her sexuality, her identity, how was her marriage life, and all. Also, her conversion to Muslim also was portrayed in this film. So today we are going to learn a poem which is titled My Grandmother's House, written by Kamala Das. So everyone take My Grandmother's House in your textbooks. And I'm writing this on the board. Take the chapter. You can take in your phone. My grandmother's house. My grandmother's house, written by Madhuri Kutiyamma. Everyone got it? So could you read to read my blood turns cold like the moon? Silently, could you read that? Finished? Finished reading that part? So I'll read it for you. There is a house now far away where once I received love. That woman died, the house withdrew into silence. Snake moved. Among books, I was then too young to read, and my blood turned into cold like the moon. Did anyone understand anything? Anything? Do you understand from that part? Oh. So can someone tell me what do you understand from that part? Someone? Can you tell me what do you understand from this part? Like a small gist, 2 lines, what is the base or something like that?
It's about this grandmother.
Yeah.
She was there's a place grandmothers was in love
Yeah.
when she was a child,
Ah.
and now she is died.
Yes, very good. Okay, sit down. So, in this part where she is telling, this poem is written, I have told you in the introduction part, after the death of what? Grandmother. So, in the starting itself, she's craving for love and attention. So, the starting itself, we can say there is an irony that she's in a loveless married life. We have seen that movie also, we can see she's struggling in her married life. You have seen that, right?
Yes.
So, the only place where she got love and care was where? From her grandmother and her grandmother's house. So, she has some kind of an intense bond between the grandmother and the grandmother's house. So, now what? Now her grandmother has passed away. Now she's trapped where? Now she's trapped in a marriage, like a bondage she's trapped, where she's not getting love or care from. So from this poem, there is a house no far away from once. I received love and that woman died. So she's telling that the place where she got love from is no more. So she's mourning to think about that fact that now she's not getting love or anything from anywhere. The house withdrew into silence. Snake moved. So we can think about something. We'll have some emotional attachment between some things and all. The place where we live. How much we live in other places now, it is good. We'll feel like a special kind of bond between our house. We'll have a special type of, like we'll feel not silence or comfortable when we are in our own homes, right? Some places also, like for example, if a person is using a particular room, if that person dies or that person is died, still when we get into that room, we'll get that vibes of that person, right? Like we'll think about that person and all. We'll have some sort of connection between that person and that room. Like that, Kamalaka is comparing what? She's comparing that house, grandmother's house, and now she's felt like there is some soul was belonging to where that house. Now when she's traveling there, she doesn't feel that kind of love and care from that house. So here there is a big irony, which is that she's not happy with her married life and the life she just has. You understood that part? The house withdrew into silence. Snake moved among the books. I was then too young. So she was telling that when a house is closed and no one is using that house, there will be like creatures and all using that house, right? If it's closed for a long time, now grandmother is dead, so no one is using that house. This house is situated where? It is situated in Malabar. So there is no one traveling there. She was actually with her. She was in Calcutta with her husband. So this poem is a part of an analogy in what? Somewhere in Calcutta. So there was a set of poems which was written by Kamala. This poem is one of that poem in that set of poems. You understood that part?
Yes.
So she's telling that among the books I was too young. So when was she was too young, she was like what? She was not often, she could read all the books. But now when she's older and she cannot use that books because of what? Her grandmother. But her grandmother is already
Dead.
Can I go to the next part?
Yes.
Do you have any doubts from this part? No, right. Okay. How often I think of going there to peer into the blind eyes of windows, or just to see the frozen air, or in a wild despair to pick an armful of darkness, to bring it here.